Do you need to step away from your PC? Here are 3 quick ways to lock your Windows PC in seconds and keep your files safe. Keyboard shortcut. Press Windows key logo plus L. Done. Your PC is instantly locked. Start menu. Go to Taskbar. Click on the Start button. Go to Power. Click on Power. Click on Lock. That's it. Your PC is instantly locked. The third option is press Ctrl Alt Delete simultaneously on your keyboard. I'm going to do that now. Ctrl Alt Delete. This menu shows up. Click Lock. This works even if your PC is acting a little slow. And that's it. 3 simple ways to lock your Windows PC in seconds. Which one do you use the most? Drop it in the comment section and let's talk about it. Hit the like button if this video helped you. Subscribe if you haven't already done so for more Windows tips like this. I'll see you in my next video.